Neka, and today I'm going to be doing another Isee Hair Company haul. And everything that you see in this video was bought using my coins. This hair was very affordable. I will get into pricing a little bit later. So let me just show you guys what you're even here for, which is the hair, and we're gonna get right into it. So the texture that I will be hauling today and unboxing is going to be the loose Deepwave. The hair came in this little bag right here. Their signature kind of, Ziploc, whatever, resealable packaging. And the lengths of hair that I ordered were 2 bundles of 18, 1 16, and a 14-inch closure. This is a 4x4 closure that I'm going to be showing you guys, which is very, different for me, kind of nostalgic, bringing me back to my high school days, because I've honestly been ordering frontals in minimum 5x5, if not 6x6 closures for the past 2 years or so. So let me just show you what it's looking like. So this is the first bundle of hair that we have here, and it is 18 inches long. I could not help myself. Once I got this package, I opened it up and I had to just start looking at it. And this is what it's looking like right here. I would kind of describe this hair as what us hair lovers were hoping loose wave hair would look like. Because when you get body wave hair and you get loose wave, it really doesn't do anything. Like, the curl does not stay, it just gets kind of frizzy. But this right here is giving me and the rest of my homegirls the vibe that I've been looking for the whole time. Something that was curly, not too curly to where it shouldn't be, getting really matted at the back of my neck. Because, I like to wear whatever hair I have in when I work out. But this hair just has a nice curl. And look how this would look. Okay, I know you guys see the vision. But yes, this is the 18-inch bundle, and this is after washing it. Like, I did wash this bundle so that I could see how it would keep the curl after getting wet. Because as I mentioned before, my biggest issue with body wave and loose wave was that the curl or the wave would fall. It wouldn't be as, deep or as uniform after washing it. But this is looking pretty good so far. And this is what the overall top of the bundle is looking like. There's a decent amount of hair in here. It's not like an excessive amount, but it's pretty decent. These bundles also came with care information as well as the details on the hair. And one thing I love is that with the care instructions, if it's your first time wearing bundles or even just having this hair type, it does give you a little bit of more detail on how to manage the hair. Next, we have our second 18-inch bundle, and I do want to show you guys this just so that you can see how the hair came straight out of the package, because I have not yet opened it, as you can tell. So again, this is another 18-inch bundle of this loose deep wave, and the hair came in this little hair net just to kind of keep the hair from getting all frayed and all, all over the place. And it has its packaging and branding type of information, but this is what the hair looked like straight out of the packaging. So I really like this, the wave that it's giving, and let me show you what it actually is going to look like post washing, no product. So just so you guys can kind of tell, I'm really loving this hair. I'm looking at it in the viewfinder and it's giving me like some lightly crimped hair, so I really like the way that this looks. When I compare the two bundles, they're both 18 inches. This is what they're looking like up against one another. And the ends of the hair on both bundles looks pretty good. And I'm just going to run my fingers through this just to kind of see what it's looking like. Like, did y'all see that? Let me hold this really quick. Let me run it through again. Oh, this hair just feels so soft. I'm also not getting any resistance. Oh, I just got one little snag. Spoke too soon. And then I got one strand out of the hair, but this is what it looked like. Well, this is what it looks like once I kind of fluff it out a little bit. And I just like that I can really rock it either way, either very kind of straight or flat, or I can fluff it up. It's great summer hair, great vacation hair. And it also does not seem as though it's going to be extremely high maintenance. Next, I have the 16-inch bundle right here, and it's already feeling a little thicker, which is normal. The shorter the hair that you get, the more length you're gonna have out of the overall weft up top and whatnot. And like the others, it came with the same clear packaging that had the length, the texture, and then the origin of the overall hair. And let's grab this one. Like, I'm just so excited every time I get new hair. So again, twinning with the other bundles, we have the hair net as well as the kind of care guide that's attached to the hair. And this is what it's looking like. Like, this 16 is looking good, and this hair is so soft. Like, I'm loving how soft this hair is and how fluffy it is. I'm going to run my fingers through this as well so we can just take a look at it. This hair had a little bit of resistance, but one good time through it and it's, you know, nice and springy. And now let me see if I can catch some hair from it. Okay, so even with that tug, I was not able to grab anything, which is nice. Let me try from down below. Okay, and also no hair after doing that either. So that's perfect. This hair would honestly just look so cute with this robe. Like, y'all see this? It's supposed to be a natural 1B color. Let me know if you guys think this is really a 1, because it is on the darker side, I will say. But when I washed the first bundle, nothing bled in the water. Like, the water ran clear. So this just might be the way that it's just looking naturally, but it's very, 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 very pretty. So this is how all 3 bundles are looking together. As you can see, the bundle that I washed, which was the 18-inch, like one of the 18 inches, is kind of like, you know, hanging, so to speak. So that kind of can give you an idea of the fact that when you wash it and leave it like straight to dry, it will appear a bit longer as opposed to when you fluff it out like this 18-inch in the middle is looking. It does look pretty full though, which is great. And I cannot wait to install this hair. I'm so excited. Last but definitely not least, we have the overall closure. And again, this is a 14-inch Brazilian loose deep wave closure. And let me just open this up. Okay. So it came with the same, you know, hair net to keep it nice and protected and intact during shipping. Ooh. So this is what it's looking like. And I did order this in a middle part, but I will say with it being a 4x4, I do notice that it's not parted all the way to the back. Like the parting kind of stops in the front, which is very interesting to observe for sure. The lace is not transparent on these bundles either. Y'all can definitely see it. It's not transparent. However, I do believe that after I bleach it, add some foundation to it, and kind of tint it, I can melt this hair down. Period. But it's looking pretty thick, which I'm really liking, and the ends are not looking all damaged or shabby and stuff, which is nice too. And I can just kind of fluff them out. So after I fluff them out, that's what we're looking like. One thing that I do notice immediately is if you look right here, the roots are not wavy. So that's definitely one thing that I did peep. So if you do not like it when your closure is not curly through the roots, this one may not be for you, because as you can see, it looks very straight. There's no rippling on this whole, you know, section of the hair. Once I install it, I will try to scrunch it just so I can try to get that effect. But if it doesn't end up curling, I'm honestly just going to do a little braids in the front, so I'm cool with it. But if you're not, that is one thing you definitely want to keep in mind, because yeah, this is really nicely curled at the bottom, but the top does not seem to curl. The overall closure is very thick, so I know I'm going to be doing a lot of plucking, because this line of baby hair is the only thing that's fine, like, you know, as in thinner. But from here and below, it looks very, very opaque, minus the middle parting where the hair actually is. But I'm also not noticing a lot of beards on the hair or flyaways, which is nice, because I hate when my closure has all these flyaways, you know, just doing all this crazy rubbish on my head. So I'm glad this one doesn't have a lot of flyaways, but it literally feels thick. Literally feels thick. Okay, and next we just have the business card that comes with every order, and it just has some beautiful black coins on it with these gold flecks on them. So this is a really cute card. It also has different things regarding all of their contact information and how to reach them. And if you're looking at my eyes, you'll see another thing that was inside of my package that they definitely snapped on, and that was the lashes that were inside of the box. So I did order a different texture from them as well, like another texture. So I have, you know, 2 separate packages that had lashes in them, and I have one set on right now. So that's what they're looking like. So yeah, that was a pleasant surprise that the lashes inside of the package were actually bomb and could be worn somewhere, because usually the lashes look like caterpillars when these hair companies send, you know, lashes. But Isee hooked it up, so that was already a great start when I first opened the package. Another plus on this hair was that this hair was on sale. AliExpress in general has its own like overall site-wide sales. So while this hair retails at $179, I was able to get it for approximately $115. And you know, I also used my Ebates per usual so that I could get some cash back. So definitely follow the link down below if you want to sign up. But yeah guys, that was just the overall hair haul. Make sure you guys comment down below on whether or not you're interested in ordering this hair. I will be doing an updated video once it has been installed. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.